Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, virtualization enabled in your UEFI, and an admin account on Windows 11 build 22,000 or later. Once done, open PowerShell as administrator so you can run system-level commands. Run the command to enable the virtual machine platform and Windows Subsystem for Linux features. This prepares the kernel and hypervisor. You do this now because these services are required before installing any distro. Make sure the machine is connected to power to avoid interruptions. Once the features are enabled, you install or update the WSL2 kernel. Use WSL update to fetch the latest kernel automatically. If that fails, download the kernel package manually, then install it. Next, set WSL2 as the default with WSL set default version 2 so new distros use the faster VM-based backend. After that, open Microsoft Store or use WSL install distro to add a Linux distribution. You'll create a user and password when the distro first runs. Finally, convert existing distributions to WSL2 with WSL set version distro 2 and verify with WSL LV. Make sure Windows Update applied any pending patches, then reboot to finalize kernel and virtualization changes. If you hit issues, try restarting the machine and rerunning WSL Update and confirm Hyper-V or related features are not disabled. One key troubleshooting tip. If install fails with kernel errors, re-enable virtualization in UEFI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.